All right, I got the battery done on this. Now I'm working on this license plate on the front of my F150. I leaned into it with my knees as I was working, and I realized that it's not very secure. There's a clip here, and then a clip here, and a clip here. The top clips aren't secured. So I'm going to take it out real quick so you can see what I'm dealing with to try to get back in place completely. That's it. Clip here, clip here, clip here, clip here. Goes into the metal bumper and then into the plastic at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those top clips weren't attached. So let's see if I can muscle this thing back in place. Don't care that you're seeing my license plate. So the bottom will snap right back in. Cake. Maybe I don't want to snap them in though. I'm sure. They got it. Bottom's got to go in first. Well, maybe not. I can't get these top clips in. That's what I'm struggling with. Which means I'm gonna have to... You can kind of see there's a gap right there. Those are the top clips. And to get them all the way up, I don't know what's going on. I may have to get some tools and muscle it. Yeah, it's always something. Maybe I can go underneath the bumper here. Oh yeah, I can reach inside here, maybe get a better angle. That's right there. I can't see it. Almost on that one. I didn't hear anything clip.
No way. No way.
Maybe I got him. Well, definitely looks, but I didn't feel anything clip, so I'm gonna have to stick my head in there somehow, or watch this video to see if they clipped. All right, please hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out. License plate is tight. Whew. And it's muggy outside.